In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use video editing feature in StreamYard 5 minutes. We're going to take a recorded broadcast and turn it into a polished clip you can reuse across platforms. This is perfect if you want to highlight a key moment, create a short teaser, or repurpose content without leaving StreamYard. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace and that your recording has finished processing in your library. Start by logging into StreamYard. Once you're in, head to the library. This is where all your recorded streams and uploaded videos live. If you have a lot of content, use the search or filters to find the exact recording you want. You can hover over any thumbnail to preview it and make sure it's the right one. Select your video and click the three dots to open the options menu. From that menu, choose Edit and Repurpose. This launches StreamYard's built-in editor so you can trim without downloading or switching tools. You'll be prompted to choose between videos or reels. Pick videos if you're creating a standard clip, typically landscape and longer. Choose Reels if you're aiming for short-form vertical content designed for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Selecting the right format upfront ensures your framing and export match where you plan to publish. On the timeline, drag the blue handles to set your start and end points. A good approach is to find a strong hook at the beginning and a clean ending at the close. Play the selection to confirm the pacing feels natural and that you're not cutting off words or transitions. If you need tighter control, use the plus and minus buttons for precise trimming. These are great for shaving off a fraction of a second so your clip lands exactly where you want it. When you're happy with the cut, choose whether to save as a new video or publish directly. Saving as a new video is the safest option because it preserves your original recording and creates a separate, editable clip. Publishing directly is handy when you're ready to go live with the trimmed piece to your connected destinations. Click Save as New. Give the clip a clear name so you can find it later, and then click Save. StreamYard will process the file. Keep the tab open for a moment. Once it's done, you'll see your new clip in the library, ready to download, schedule, or publish. That's it. Simple, fast, and all inside StreamYard. Happy editing and repurposing.